Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Choose a clear niche and channel name that fits your content and audience. Create a Google account and set up your YouTube channel with a high-resolution 1280x720 banner. Write an optimized channel description that uses keywords and a simple value statement. Add links to social profiles and an email for business inquiries. Design a consistent logo and channel art that reads at 3.5 feet distance. Set an upload schedule of 2 videos per week to build viewer expectation. Plan every video using a 3-part structure: hook, value, call to action. Script or outline key points so you speak clearly and stay on time. Film using 1080p or 4K resolution and keep the camera 3.5 feet from your face. Use soft lighting, a lavalier mic, and stable framing for professional quality. Edit to remove dead air and add captions to boost watch time. Aim for 8 to 12-minute videos to maximize viewer retention and add potential. Post consistently for 6 months and track performance using YouTube Analytics weekly. Analyze retention, traffic sources, and click-through rate to refine thumbnails and titles. Reach the YouTube Partner Program threshold: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours to monetize. Use playlists, collaborations, and community posts to increase session time and discoverability. Diversify income with sponsorships, affiliate links, and channel memberships after growth stabilizes. Repeat successful formats while experimenting with trends to sustain long-term channel growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.